Alright, this is a video of the easiest method I've found to set a fork seal. I don't have any video of the electrical tape being wrapped on the fork. The video didn't take, and I didn't really worry about it because I honestly didn't think this was going to work. And the electrical tape, you just wrap electrical tape around the fork, make it about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch deep or high, just enough to seat the seal in there. It took me 2 minutes, maybe 3 at the most, to map it on there. So you give it a couple good slams, and literally that's it. It's that easy to set it on. And then you put your retaining clip in, and so forth, and you're all ready to go. Definitely the easiest way to set a fork seal that I've ever tried. See, removing the electrical tape is very easy, and it leaves no marks or anything on the metal at all. This is really a great tip. I didn't invent it or anything like that. I read about it, and I just thought I'd share it.